Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome back to the Animous, and today is the day we are doing the giveaway of the Master Grade SD Barbatos with the action base for it. I am going to add a few goodies with the kit itself, but I'll leave that as a surprise for whenever the person receives the kit, and I'll go from there. So why am I doing this giveaway? This giveaway is my thanks for you as my subscribers, because you've given me your support so far, and I really do appreciate all the support that you have given me, my sponsors have given me for the channel. With that being said, we did hit a milestone at 1,000 subscribers, and I did say that once we broke out of the 1,000 subscribers, we would go ahead and do a giveaway, which is what we're doing now. Now, for the action base itself, as I've mentioned before, you've seen in other videos, the action base is going to be an action base 1 clear. These bases are made to hold scale 1/100s or 1/44 scale kits. So I did decide to include a base with the model itself because the model does not include its own. So it's a little bit convenient for somebody that's building it, because then all you'd have to do is go ahead and build it, set it up on a base, which is a clear, nice clear base, and it's going to be super solid, and then go from there. And the next thing is going to be the actual Master Grade SD Gundam Barbatos. Out of all the Master Grade SDs that have been come out, which is only 2 actually, I like this one better, mainly because you can actually compare it to the one from SD Alliance, and with just, you know, on steroids and detail. And all the parts that come in this kit just look great when it's built. I've seen custom builds, I've seen straight builds, I've seen true to the colors builds, and they all look great all around. So that's why I decided to choose this kit for the milestone giveaway, so that way I could go ahead and thank you guys. Now, with that being said, I would like to go over a few rules for the giveaway itself. So the only people that are eligible to be entering in this giveaway are going to be everyone that is in US based. Now, with shipping rates and how high they are right now, unfortunately I won't be able to cover any international shipping this time. However, maybe in the future, once we get a little bit more subscribers in there, maybe a little bit more help from the sponsors, then we can go ahead and get that in there. As of right now, I'm really sorry if you live overseas, but we are only doing this for eligible for US and US territories. Now, number 2, in the instructions, I am going to ask you a question in this video, and you are only able to answer 1 time. We will only count 1 comment per subscriber. So if you have any other comments that are going to be within the comment section itself, those will be deleted and you'll only have 1. I am saying this because I've seen before that people will try to have multiple comments within their own thread to increase their chances. Please don't do that here. You'll just ruin it for everyone. Number 3, once you answer the question, I will go ahead and save screenshots of all the comments, because this is going to have a timeline. Number 4, the timeline for the event is going to be 1 week. So I'm gonna give you guys 7 days to comment on this video, and after 7 days I will close the comment section down, and then we'll go from there. So how am I going to contact the winners? Easy. I am going to go ahead and reply to your comment and make sure that you will know that you won. And aside from that, we're going to try and get in contact through Instagram to see, so we can go ahead and schedule logistics for your kit. Now, it's going to be a little bit tricky, because I know that some people are very private when it comes to their Instagram and stuff like that, which is okay. That's not a problem at all. But I will make sure to get in contact with the winner, so that way we can go ahead and schedule that for them. So I remember that last time that actually went very well. But people that commented, we did have a couple of winners last time, because I remember we did the Airbrush giveaway for Gaahleri, and we had a couple of winners that won those airbrushes, and everything went smooth sailing. Again, this giveaway is at no cost to the winner. So whoever wins this, I will go ahead and personally send it to them with the action base at no cost to them. Number 5, whenever you do answer your question, I'm going to ask you to leave your Instagram tag, so that way I can make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram for logistics for the kit. Now, do you have to follow me on Instagram to be in this contest? Absolutely. If you are on Instagram, I need to make sure that once I click your icon, it says that you are following me. Whether you want to unfollow or keep following me after that, that's completely up to you. However, to be able to plan logistics for this kit, we will have to follow each other throughout the time while it's being delivered. So that way I am making sure that you receive the kit, and then everything is good to go. Number 6, privacy and information. I will not disclose any personal information regarding the winner on the channel once the winner is announced. The only thing that everybody's going to see on the channel is probably going to be their YouTube tag, and that is it. And now for the actual question for the giveaway itself. Remember, you can only comment once. In a world where you can only choose one model kit, one singular model kit to build, and that would be the only model kit that you would ever build, which model kit would it be? And it doesn't have to be just Gunpla. It could be any model kit. It could be any model kit. Bandai, third party, Tamiya, any model kit in the world. If you could only build one model kit in your life, and it could be any model kit. Let's say that, like I said, let's say that you could only build one, and that's it. You will never be able to build any other kit. Which build would you choose? What model kit would you choose? And it could be any model kit. Like I mentioned before, I don't discriminate. You know, just choose whatever model kit you want, whether it be a tank, an airplane, a Bandai kit, a Tamiya kit, a Meng kit, a Daban kit, whatever kit you want to build. Completely up to you. If you could only build one, what would it be? And that's it. That is the question. Now remember, this giveaway is only going to be open for the next 7 days of the release of this video. Once it hits 12 o'clock at night on that 7th day, I will close out the comment section and nobody else will be eligible to compete for this model kit. Remember, we're only choosing one winner, so make sure you don't miss out on this, okay? And that is it for today's video. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I am super stoked to be giving this away on the channel. Thank you so much again for all of your support, and I will see you guys next time.